Well, I'll start, and then my colleagues may want to chip in as well. The incident to which you refer is, of course, regrettable, and there have been similar incidents in other countries too. Uh, of course, misinformation is especially dangerous at a time like this when all of us are concerned, quite rightly, and when all of us are being asked to radically change our behaviors and radically change the way our daily lives operate. So it's a time of both heightened anxiety and tremendous change. And so disinformation can have a particularly pernicious effect. We as a government are working very hard to push back against that disinformation. I think that's why all of us are here right now. And I would like to really also recognize the very important role the provinces and public health officials in the provinces are playing in that effort. And I do also want to say, I think Canadians have been great. Canadians are really smart. Canadians are really well informed. And while inevitably there are going to be individual moments where people fall prey to disinformation, by and large, I think as a country, people are making really smart decisions. And those smart decisions, those smart, well informed decisions, are saving lives. I don't know, Patty, Teresa, do you want to add anything?
Quickly say that I think it's quite normal during a period of such uncertainty and anxiety to look for answers. I think people want to know. I keep saying this. The question I hear in many different guises is, when will all this be over? How did this happen, and when will all this be over? And I think they're questions that, are top of mind for Canadians as they're stuck at home, as their livelihoods have changed, as they're so many mothers that I know parenting and trying to work at the same time, fathers too. The situation has changed tremendously for people, and that uncertainty drives, I think, a quest for knowledge or a quest for understanding. How did we get here, and how do we get out? And that's why we've tried so diligently, not just through press conferences, but things like making sure we have the Canada COVID-19 app, that we disseminate information through the website, that we provide transparent information, that when we don't know, we say we don't know. And when we have new information, we present it quickly to the public. There is a whole field of communications called risk communications. Certainly, experts know that it's really important that you are available, for example, that you tell the truth, and that when you don't know the answer, you say you don't know the answer. And so we certainly try to continue to follow those principles so that Canadians can have confidence in our government, but also have confidence in what we keep saying, which is that we will get through this together as a country.